Everyone, do you know how to manage risk in forex trading? Risk management is a good skill for anyone that is trading forex or any other thing to learn, because if you don't know how to manage your risk, you are going to be losing. Forex trading can be highly rewarding, but it can also be dangerously risky if not properly managed. Many traders lose their capital not because they lack strategy, but because they fail to manage risk. Risk management is the foundation of long-term success in the forex market. It is the act of protecting your trading capital so that you can stay in the game long enough to profit consistently. Now, what is risk management? Risk management in forex trading refers to the set of rules and techniques that help you minimize losses and protect your trading account from large drawdowns. Is about knowing how much to risk, when to enter or exit a trade, and how to control your emotions when the market moves against you. Why is risk management so important? Even the best traders lose trades, but they survive and grow because they manage risk wisely. Without risk management, one bad trade can wipe out months or years of progress. Proper risk management ensures that you live to trade another day. Your losses are small and manageable. You trade with confidence, not fear or greed. You can compound profits over time. The key principles of forex risk management are as follows. Never risk more than 2% of your account per trade. Some people risk up to 3%, up to 4%. It depends on you. But the standard rule is that you should not risk more than 2% of your account per trade. Then, what this simply means is that this rule can protect you from emotional and financial burnout. If you have $1,000 in your account, don't risk more than $20 on a single trade. Another thing is that you can always use stop loss. A stop loss order is your safety net. It closes your trade automatically when the price moves against you beyond your set limit. Never trade without a stop loss. Then the next thing you need to do is to calculate position size properly. Use tools or formulas to determine how many lots to trade based on your account size and risk level. Then avoid over-leveraging. Leverage magnifies both profits and losses. High leverage can destroy your account quickly, so you have to use it wisely. Then you have to diversify and trade with a plan. Don't put all your capital in one pair or in one strategy. Plan every trade before entering, including your entry, target, and exit points. Then keep emotions under control. Fear, greed, and impatience can ruin your strategy. Stay disciplined. Follow your plan, not your feelings. In conclusion, risk management is not about avoiding losses. It is about surviving losses and growing your capital steadily. So that is what risk management is all about. A disciplined trader with a solid risk plan will outperform a reckless trader with the best strategy. Before you think about making profit in Forex, think about protecting your capital first, because that is your real power. I know of somebody who, what he does is that he just uses Bollinger Band, and then he's trading per minute, and he made a lot of losses. Up to now, he's trying to come back to learn from me, and I'm making this video because of such people like that. If you want to learn practical forex trading tips and risk management strategies, follow my YouTube channel, Dr. Olubengade Tutun TV, for more guides, insights, and updates that will help you trade smart and stay profitable. And then if you have capital, at least minimum of $300 or $200 and above, and you want me to trade for you, I can trade for you. And then any profit I will make at the end of the month, we are going to share it. I can be able to trade for you and make between 20 to 25% every month. And then we can now share the profit between yourself and myself. I'll see you in the next one. But before then, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back for more. Drop your comment and question in the comment section below. Until I come away in the next one, This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to see now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.